Get comfortable, really comfortable, not falling asleep, listening to my voice, enjoying what I have to say. Very relaxed and very comfortable. Any outside noise helps you to relax even more. Relax in your whole body, knowing that my words will become your words. You can keep your eyes open or closed, whatever feels best. Knowing you are safe and in control, ready to enjoy the Angelic Foods way of life. Take a deep breath, in and out. You have begun this Angelic Foods healthy way of eating for your own personal reasons. Maybe it is to achieve the slim and attractive body which you desire. Maybe it is because your doctor told you to. Or maybe you have allergies. Or maybe you just like to be healthy. I'm going to give you some suggestions that will make this a permanent change in your living. These suggestions are going to take complete and thorough effect upon the deepest part of your subconscious mind and will resonate in every cell of your being, right down to your DNA, sealing themselves in the deepest part of your mind, body, and soul. So they will remain there forever, becoming a permanent part of every cell of your brain and body. You may be surprised and amazed at just how effective these suggestions are going to be and how much they will become a part of your everyday life, giving you brand new thoughts, brand new neuron pathways or patterns, a brand new method of action. These suggestions will make you a successful person. If this is your first time, you'll be learning a brand new method that you probably have never used before. If you have heard this meditation before and just love how it makes you feel, then absorb the benefits that suit you best. Know that you have begun the positive approach for obtaining a healthy and attractive body which you desire. You have chosen this meditation as a positive means to attaining your goal. This meditation or trance is a great aid in permanently changing your emotional reactions to food and eating. You realize that meditation is a positive new approach, a new positive approach to obtain what you desire. You will initiate a really good, positive approach towards food and eating. As you initiate this good, positive attitude towards food, you will enjoy the taste of the healthy angelic foods. You will like the angelic foods, and you will easily eat the angelic foods. You will create a permanent positive change in your eating habits. From now on, you will prove to your own satisfaction that eating all your psychological needs will entirely satisfy you. Just like drinking all the water you need, you're going to work within the framework of your inborn normal reflexes, making a friend of your appetite, paying attention to it. For this is a good thing. Healthy people have appetites. They pay attention to them. Attractive people have appetites. They pay attention to them. Meditation makes a friend of your appetite. In the past, you've probably been paying attention only to half the signal from your appetite, namely the signal that says, "Eat, I'm hungry." But now you are trusting your appetite. You listen to all of what your appetite is advising. When it says, "I'm hungry," you eat angelic foods. When the hunger feeling first disappears and your appetite says, "I'm satisfied," you stop. You stop long before you're full. You are perfectly fed with nutritious foods that will stimulate your cells and regenerate your body, mind, and soul. Angelic foods taste sweeter, and you love to chew the food you are eating. You love the feeling you get from the heavenly angelic foods. Now take 3 deep breaths and inhale all that is needed to make this permanent change to your subconscious and cells, to always choose the angelic foods. Deep breath and exhale. Exhale all the negative or bad energy surrounding past emotions and memories that are not needed anymore. Breathing in good energy, angelic foods. Breathing out any negative energy that may be holding you back. Just put it into a cosmic garbage can. Breathing in love, light energy, all the love that you need. Breathing out all that you do not. Breathing in the angelic foods energy all the way to your DNA. Every cell nourished, beautiful, and healthy. Wonderful. Knowing that every time you go into meditation, you'll go faster, easier, and deeper. Now take a deep breath and wiggle your toes, coming back to the moment and opening your eyes, stretching, feeling alive, beautiful, successful, and well, grateful for the angelic foods way of life.